Iraq-Turkey deal on buying Turkish drone and helicopter. In an interview with the Iraqi defense minister, Baghdad reportedly bought Turkish weapons including armed drones and helicopters. Kuma Inad Sadin, the defense minister, revealed during last month's International Defense Industry Fair in Istanbul that a consensus had been reached to purchase an unspecified number of Bayraktar TB2 drones. Iraq also wishes to acquire 6 Coral electronic warfare mobile systems and 12 T-129 ATAK helicopters. Iraq had negotiated with Turkey for over a year to acquire the TB2 and was interested to acquire at least a dozen, according to Breaking Defense. According to the news outlet, the deal was stalled due to concerns about whether the U.S. would approve the helicopter sale, as the helicopter's engine was jointly manufactured by Honeywell and Rolls-Royce. Export regulations at the federal level require high-end defense products, including engines, to be licensed prior to exporting. An advisor to the Turkish government remarked to a U.S.-based media outlet that due to anti-Turkish sentiment in the U.S. Congress, the proposed agreement was unlikely to be approved. But he added that Turkey would continue to try to achieve it. Breaking Defense has not clarified whether the U.S. has a levy over the sale of 2 other weapons, nor has it clarified whether the helicopter deal is a prerequisite for the package deal. Meanwhile, during Sadin's recent visit to Istanbul, Turkish officials pressed him to crack down on the Kurdistan Workers' Party, PKK, insurgent group in northern Iraq. As the government officials from Turkey and Iraq met in an off-site location during the World Markets Trade Fair in Istanbul, the Turkish defense minister called on the Iraqi defense minister to gather military forces in the north, where the PKK is most active. Turkey has been engaged in a decades-long conflict with the PKK.